Bioprogramming Hairtimecess collection consists of 4 products: shampoo, conditioner, scalp serum, and hair mist. Firstly, the shampoo. My very favorite thing about it is the viscosity. So all of these products feature the same bioprogramming technology. The viscosity of the shampoo is so thin and lightweight, it's never going to be too heavy for any hair type. You're going to notice a really intense, rich lather when using the shampoo. As soon as it makes contact with your skin, you can feel a difference than any other shampoo. Next, we have the bioprogramming conditioner. Again, features the same bioprogramming technology and can be used on any hair type. Next, they're going to use the bioprogramming scalp serum. This is designed to be used on damp or dry hair. So you can see how thin and lightweight this product is as well. It almost just has a water consistency. Lastly, we have the bioprogramming hair mist. This can be used on damp or dry hair as well. Very lightweight. It's never going to be too heavy for any hair type. The best way to use the bioprogramming shampoo and conditioner is layering it together as a treatment. So how we do that in the salon and how I recommend my clients doing it at home would be to first cleanse their hair and rinse it out. And then they're going to apply the bioprogramming shampoo all over into a rich lather. Without rinsing, they're going to then apply the bioprogramming conditioner directly over top of it, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. From there, they're going to do one more application of the bioprogramming shampoo all over everything. And at that point, you can work it through with your fingers, or you can use a brush, making sure that every single strand is treated. The longer you can leave it on, the better. In the salon, I typically leave it on anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. If my client's using it at home as a treatment, I recommend they can leave it on as long as possible before rinsing. After they've rinsed the entire system out of their hair, they're gonna notice an incredible shine, a lightweight, airy, soft feeling. So to further intensify the bioprogramming effect, I am layering the density of the technology as much as possible. And now we are going to apply the hair mist and serum. I'm going to start with the scalp serum first. This can be applied at the shampoo bowl or at your chair. You're always going to want to have your client tip your head back towards me so that it doesn't run into their face. And you're just going to apply it directly to the scalp in rows. And this is going to treat the hair inside the follicle before it even comes to the surface. So she has really thick, coarse hair. So she probably has experienced quite a bit of frizz in her life. So what this is gonna do is help the hair to grow out of her scalp even less frizzy, more moisturized, more shiny from the start. Then I'm going to use the bioprogramming hair mist. This is going to increase the moisture content of the hair that's already outside of the scalp. So what this is going to do is provide even more shine, even less frizz, more moisture, and less friction, allowing for an easy comb out. Some people often ask if this is a detangler because it does improve the combability so much. Truly, it's not heavy. It does have a very lightweight water consistency, water-like consistency. So it's never going to be too heavy for any hair type. You can use it on even the most fine, thin hair, and it's never going to cause the hair to collapse or weigh it down. All 4 of these products in the Hairtimecess line are going to amplify the bioprogramming effect, giving you the most intense moisture, shine, a reduction of frizz, and reduction of friction. They're designed to be used and layered together in addition to using the bioprogramming treatment devices and Color Fantasy.